All right. Hey, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin. I'm your host, Tone Vays. Really enjoying, the nice cabin lifestyle. Probably the only. Forget about that. I am cutting back on drinking significantly, but it's the only place where I have a beer. My only beer for the day. I didn't have any yesterday. So one beer in a few days is good. It's good. So, little snack. We're going to take a look at the markets. A little chillier out here now. Still in the middle of August. So, really interesting. In yesterday's video, I was informed that the barbecues should not be covered up. So we're actually covering them up because it rains quite often. But I need to Google this some more. That barbecues should not have a cover on them. So that's super interesting. I'm going to look into that some more because I'm super curious. Let's go to charts. I have a hard stop soon. Let me move this over here. Hold on. Nope, a little more. There we go. I have a hard stop at the bottom of the hour. And then we go from there. Okay, let's look at the chart. The weekly chart is looking super strong. A lot of people are saying that this is on the Ethereum news and all this other stuff. But I'm not sure. I'm not really paying attention to Ethereum at all. Maybe I should. Right now, I'm working on my travel plans. My travel plans are about to be insane. I'll show you that in a second. But the weekly chart is looking very strong, and I remain of the opinion that the price will rally into the next moving average, which is at approximately $27,000, $28,000. Let's go to the next chart. This is our daily allocation chart, and 4-day allocation chart using Consensio. 1 second. When you start a video, like that's when important stuff starts happening that requires my attention. It's like a law, like Murphy's Law. So our allocation chart's looking good. We just started a new candle, and same thing. Remain in that 50% bullish position, and hopefully we get to here. And if we have to, we're gonna cut back a little bit on that position. All right, before I go on to daily chart, I want to show you guys my schedule. I am going to be up in the woods until BitBlock Boom. A BitBlock Boom will be the last time you guys find me in the United States till the rest of the year, basically. And after this, I'm off to travel. So I will be at BitBlock Boom, and from there, I have this space. I'll be in Latin America. I know I will definitely be in Panama this week, and I should probably put, we do Bitcoin meetups at Emotions Dinner Theater, which is awesome. And I'll probably do it on the 17th as well, and on the 24th. So you definitely want to come to Panama and check out what's going on down in Panama. Now, right here at the end of September, I will be participating in Traffic Summit. Traffic Summit looks like a really awesome event. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And I do have a discount code. Use TONE as a discount code if you're coming to Traffic Summit. It's a digital marketing conference, okay? I know I could use a little bit of help, so I will be there, taking a million notes. But I am going to participate, and I'm going to speak about how Bitcoin can certainly help with your digital marketing and can help you, with your businesses, with your virtual businesses. So there I am. Thank you so much, the Traffic Summit team, for giving me this opportunity. Really looking forward to being there as well. So check it out. You get a discount code if you want to attend. Also, Emotions Dinner Theater, right? I just click on that and you get to go to their website. Same thing with BitBlock Boom. I think that one's sold out. Now, after that, I will be spending, I think I'm going to go to Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan, but that's not confirmed yet. Once it's confirmed, I'm going to start putting, flags here. I will definitely be in Dubai speaking at these two events, and I will probably stay in Dubai because there's a lot of events in October because the weather is super good. And oh, my cam is full screen. I totally screwed that up. Shit, my bad, guys. Damn. I'll be talking about it because I really wanted. All right, never mind. That was so. Yeah. No, Mel, I got it. I got it. I really thought I hit screen share. Totally screwed that up. And I was talking about the price of Bitcoin too. This video is a disaster. This video has been a total disaster. Should I just end it here and like redo it? But I have a call in 20 minutes, so. Yeah, so I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna redo it. You're gonna hear the speech again tomorrow. But weekly chart, I love the candle allocation chart on tonevays.com. If you go to my homepage and you go to calendar, this is where I'll be. I'll be at BitBlock Boom at the end of the month in Texas. Then I will be in Latin America, maybe Costa Rica, maybe Belize, definitely Panama. And then I'm heading to Turkey. This is the event. This is Traffic Summit. You just click on these things, and then you click on the event itself. Here is Traffic Summit. You get a discount code TONE, and for I think it's a 30% discount code. Don't hold me to that. But if you want to come to this, it looks like a great time. Like I said, I'll be there taking notes. I can definitely use help with my digital marketing as well. And there's lots of experts there. And after that, I will be in Dubai. I might be in Kazakhstan, maybe, but I'll definitely be in Dubai in the middle of October. And then I'm not sure where I'll be here. Probably I'll stay in Dubai. And then it'll be time for the financial summit in Indonesia. And I haven't put anything yet for December. Oh, no, I'm sorry, the rest of November. I know there is a Pacific Bitcoin conference going on, but it will be, I got to talk to the Swan team. It's going to be so hard for me to go from Indonesia to California. And I know there's also adapting Bitcoin down in El Salvador, but it will be so hard for me to go from Indonesia to Americas, only to go back to Dubai. Especially when I have to go to Thailand and I have to go to the Maldives to look at future venues for the financial summit. So that's going to be super tricky. So unless someone wants to start paying for my business class flights as a sponsor, it's not looking likely. I will be, I know I kind of made some promises, but I'm going to have to reach out to them next week and say, listen, guys, like I really, I can't, I can't afford mentally nor financially to fly from Indonesia to California to Dubai within 2 weeks. It's insane, considering where I would have been for the prior 2 months, and these events are so tiring and draining. And my December schedule I haven't done yet, but anyway, that's the deal. This is the financial summit in Bali. Unconfiscatable, we need to change some of the dates. Unconfiscatable is coming back in about 1.5 years. And the Financial Summit has a YouTube channel, and the Financial Summit has an Instagram, which is picking up followers. And this is my Twitter, not the Financial Summit's Twitter. A video got banned I live streamed from the Capitol. I hope some of you got to watch it. This is on January 6th. This video has been removed for being misinformation. I'm not exactly sure how a live stream of events happening in real time is misinformation, but this is also why, again, the United States is going to split into two countries, because this can't go on. Like, this can't continue. So those are my views. You guys know my views. I mean, this is insane. They're actually telling you that what you're seeing with your own eyes on a live stream is misinformation. This is the world we're living in now. So it's going to change, and YouTube will change, and there will be other competitors to YouTube, because this can't continue. If the government has the ability to continue this, we would all be, I don't know, Greeks or Romans, right? Like, or Brits. Like, a single country would have dominated this world long ago. Freedom always wins, and freedom is going to win again. And companies like Google will go down. They have to. They have to. Otherwise, like, humans will not be able to survive. Freedom always wins. And this is insane when they tell you that your own eyes is misinformation. I don't go to random places in Thailand, but I've been to a bunch and never really had any issues. Chiang Mai is great. I really like Phuket. If I'm gonna go to Koh Samui, that's where I would be looking at stuff. I mean, I don't use Odyssey. I would use Rumble and maybe BitChute. The reason I wouldn't use Odyssey is because Odyssey has a scam coin, and it depends on the scam coin in order to function. And that, to me, is a very unethical practice. So I find Odyssey to be a very unethical platform. That's why I wouldn't use Odyssey. I would use BitChute. I would use Rumble. I would use, more ethical platforms for my content. The world, however, is changing. If Odyssey does win the video hosting platforming game, then I'll have no choice but to use it. But while I have options, I would use other options while they exist. Yes, library is a scam coin. Like, it is. I've already explained this on multiple videos. I'm not going to get into it now. But library is a scam coin by default, because you don't need a coin to host videos. Like, if Rumble can do it and BitChute can do it, there's no reason why Odyssey can't do it. The reason they can't do it is because they have no money, and because they have no money, they have to print the money. So they're printing the money. The library is like Steemit, if you remember the Steemit coin. I don't usually stay in Patong when I'm in Phuket. I usually go to Qatar or Coron. The point of library coin is no different than you coming up with your own money and paying people in your own money in order to promote your work. Is Theta a scam too? Yeah, it is. These are unnecessary tokens. Okay, daily chart. Daily chart is looking great. We are pushing up away from the trend line, that is a really good sign. And I keep the target of the next moving average. You can love what they're trying to do, and but what you have to realize is, Theta is a centralized company, and they cannot decentralize anything. They're not decentralizing the ISP themselves. They are lying to you that they are decentralizing ISPs so that you buy into their token. That's what has happened each and every time. And maybe Theta is one of 1,000 scams that is not a scam. I will place my bet that it is, and I have been right over and over and over and over. And you can always find an example, like an Ethereum that has not yet imploded, but I will show you 1,000 examples where I am right. So I will always place a bet where I have 1,000 to 1 advantage on being right. And you are welcome to place a bet that, you know, you are accurate 1 in 1,000 chance. Hourly chart, not very interesting. 4-hour chart is having higher highs and higher lows. That is a great thing. We did not exactly break the intra-candle high a few hours ago, but I believe that we will. So the reason why Bitcoin is not a scam is because the creators of Bitcoin and the users of Bitcoin don't lie to you about its, you know, they don't lie to you, right? Like anyone that says their coin is decentralized, they're lying to you, right? So what does that say about the coin? Like when someone says Ethereum is decentralized, they are outright lying because it's not. So what does that make Ethereum the token when people tell you that it's decentralized when we know for a fact that it's not? So that's the problem. And the problem is anyone that talks about token X has all these wild claims that are basically bullshit. So if someone is going to talk about wild claims as to how their token is decentralizing X or decentralizing Y, that person is basically lying. And therefore, to me, that makes that token a scam. Because you have to lie in order to promote the use of that token. And I use the word use very, very loosely. This is oil. I remain bullish on oil. I have not kept up with geopolitics at all. Kind of spending most of my time trying to figure out my travel for the rest of the year. Oh wow, look at the stock market. The stock market closed super strong on Friday. That's a great sign. I remain very bullish in the stock market. And as the stock market goes bullish, Bitcoin will be dragged along with it. Very few people believe that the stock market can go to a new all-time high this year. I am not one of those people. I have been bullish on the stock market all along. I remain bullish on the stock market. We took a look at a few stocks the other day. I want to glance how some of our global currencies have closed. I believe the dollar will continue to strengthen. I believe the euro will continue to depreciate greatly. I think the Eurozone is going to break up. And we always keep an eye on the Russian currency, the ruble. Where we go. And I believe the Russian currency will strengthen. But I have no idea what's going on in what the latest in the military conflict is. No, it's super relaxing out here. It's great. All right, I'm looking at live chat. I'm gonna pull up the Financial Summit Instagram. We already started doing stories. This is what it was like over at the Financial Summit, Dominican Republic. We had a great turnout. We had about 60 people. The beach is right there. Was an incredible venue. So much knowledge, so many smart people. Super great. And the next one coming up is Bali. Once again, go to tonevays.com calendar to I will be posting where I am for the next 4 months, and then we go from there. Once I cross the Atlantic, I'll be heading to Turkey for a traffic summit. All right, guys, I gotta jump on another call at the top of the hour, which is at the bottom of the hour, which is in 5 minutes. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And I will see you all on the next one. All right. I'm gonna enjoy a beer with, I mean, those of you that speak Russian, this is called taranka. It's like this dried fish. And you can do this with different fish, but there's one specific one from that region. And you catch it, salt it. Oh yeah, here we go. Looks like this. I actually got pissed when they changed regulation and they can't sell these whole anymore. They have to like cut it up and they have to remove the stomach and stuff, the guts. This was so much better when all of that was still inside. But yeah, so they're really hard. And you got to peel them. You got to take the bones out. So you get a little exercise. Then you eat them kind of like jerky, kind of like meat jerky, but for fish. Definitely an acquired taste. It's so good. And if you're going to eat it, like, you can't eat it with wine. And you're not going to eat this with tequila. So your only option is beer. Where did I get that hoodie? That would be Satoshi Corner. Big follower of this channel. I gotta find the website. Hold on. I know I'm not screen sharing. Boom. Got it. So here's the website. It's called Satoshi Corner. I'm not sure why it's so dark. hoodies and sweatshirts. There you go. Mine is a little custom. But this is the idea, basically. Mine is custom because it has a zipper. I don't like sweatshirts without a zipper. So it's basically this, but with a zipper and the Bitcoin, and this got moved to the side and the Bitcoin logo removed because, like, if you know what this date stands for, you're good. So yeah. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on the next one.